Bore da, croeso I Clwb Clyd unwaith eto. Welcome to Clwb Clyd. Today I'm going to be reading you a story in Welsh. You've already had this story in English with Mrs. Jones, and the title of that story was The Hungry Caterpillar. Well, today we're going to read a Lindysyn llwglyd iawn. So let's start. Yng ngolau'r lleuad, gorweddau un wy bychan ar ddeilen. Un bore sul, cododd yr haul cynnes, ac allan o'r wy, pop, daeth Lindysyn bychan llwglyd iawn. A very hungry caterpillar came out. Dechreuodd chwilio am fwyd, started looking for food. Ardi llun bwtaiodd trwy un afal, ond roedd e dal I fod yn llwglyd. Ar dydd Mawrth, Tuesday, bwtaodd trwy 2 peren, 2 pairs, ond roedd e dal I fod yn llwglyd iawn. Dydd Mercher, Wednesday, bwtaodd drwy 1, 2, 3 eirinen. Plum, ond roedd e dal I fod yn llwglyd iawn. Dydd Iau, Thursday, bwytaodd drwy 1, 2, 3, 4 mefusen. Ond roedd e dal I fod yn llwglyd. He was still hungry after eating all that food. Dydd Gwener, Friday, bwytaodd drwy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oren, 5 oranges. Ond roedd e'n dal I fod yn llwglyd. Dydd Sadwrn, Saturday, bwytaodd drwy 1 gacen siocled, 1 hufen iâ, 1 pickle, 1 dafell o gaws, 1 dafell o salami, 1 lollipop, 1 dar o basta ceirios, 1 salsigen, 1 cacen bach, ac 1 dafell o felon ddŵr. Chocolate cake, ice cream, pickle, cheese, salami, lollipop, cherry pie, sausages, a cake and a watermelon. Y noson honno, roedd ganddo bol tost. He was very ill that night. Dranoeth, the next day, roedd hi'n dydd Sul unwaith eto. Bwytaodd y Lindysyn bychan trwy 1 ddeilen werdd hyfryd. Ac ar ôl wneud hynny, teimlai'n llawer gwell. He felt much better after eating through that lovely green leaf. Doedd e ddim yn llwglyd bellach. Wasn't hungry anymore. A doedd e ddim yn Lindysyn bach. Roedd e'n Lindysyn mawr tew. Adeiladodd tŷ bychan o'r enw cocoon o'i gwmpas. Built a cocoon around him. Arhosodd yno am bythefnos neu ragor. He stayed there for about 2 weeks. Yna aeth ati gnoi twll bach yn y cocoon. Gwythiodd ei hunan allan ac roedd e'n bili pala prydferth lliwgar. And he was a beautiful, colourful butterfly. If it's a sunny day, why don't you go out and see if you can find any butterflies about the place and notice what their colours are and what shapes they are. Hope to see you again soon. Hwyl fawr, ta-ra!